Hi, brother. How are you?
Hi, I am fine, and you?
Yes, I'm also fine, brother. Thank you. So, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I am from Bihar.
Okay, you're from Bihar. That's good. Even I talk lots of people. We can say most of time, 20% people they belong to Bihar. I think
Oh,
in a Bihar state, brother, lots of people trying to learn a English language.
yeah,
Even
yeah,
even one of guy, he's a YouTuber. His name Anand,
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
he's
I hear.
also learning he's also making a video about English content, and he's a teacher. So this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
great thing, seriously.
Mm.
Yeah,
So here, where are you from, bro?
yeah, brother, I'm calling from Mumbai.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great.
So what
Mm.
about you, like what do you do, brother?
Please repeat.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'm asking what do you do, what's your profession?
yeah. I am a student. I am a studying now. Time I studying in IHM Kolkata. I think you know about IHM Kolkata Institute of Hotel Management.
Yeah, hotel management. HM means we
Yeah,
can call hotel management, but
yeah, yeah.
Kolkata is like different. Is this like
Mm.
a same Kolkata?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I see. In a
Um,
Bihar.
and my and my college gift me this T-shirt.
Oh, I see. College they
Yeah,
provide a T-shirt. This is
yeah,
your
yeah,
uniform,
yeah.
we can call. Okay, okay,
No,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay. So, brother, please tell me about your journey, about English journey. Like, how do you practice, and what is the difficulty to about improvement? Please, little bit share with me. Then, whatever I have any idea, I can share with you. Okay. So, please tell me.
Because yeah, yeah. Bro, I am studying Hindi medium school, and I am very difficult to increase improve my English. Uh, when I went to Kolkata, then um, my college is not allowed another language. My college is allow only English. So very that time very difficult for me because I am from Hindi medium school boy. Mm, that time I I see YouTube video, then YouTube video, then I join in this group.
Okay, that's
Uh,
great. Okay, okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's
And
cool.
then I try to speak English. Mm. and another app download for English conversation. That this app name, and that
Okay.
I talk with talk with friends, and using this app and WhatsApp group. Yeah,
Oh, I
and
see.
remember 10 word vocabulary daily, and I read uh, English book and newspaper. Yeah,
Okay, now I get your point. Like, okay. So, brother, you mean to say I'm facing a little bit difficulty because I don't have a partner, maybe environment
yeah, yeah,
also not, and it's sometime understanding about reading, sometime do not understand about listening and speaking. I think. Am I right?
yeah, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah, bro.
brother, if you want to improve your communication skill, literally, we can say honestly, brother, then you have to struggle yourself. Right now, you have a time. I think you are free. I'm 100% sure. Already you discussed with me. My college is shut down because lockdown started.
Yeah, yeah,
COVID-19. So right now you are free. So in this time, brother, just commitment yourself and start yourself. We can say just start about communication skill. Just try to watch a Netflix video. Try to watch a, we can say, YouTube video. Try to watch a conversation video. It's in your people.
yeah,
Okay. Then second thing, brother, if possible, then try to listen more and more. Whenever you listen more and more, automatically your mind will thinking what I'm listening. And if you listen more, automatically you can speak properly, not properly, but at least basically you can able to talk like hi, hello, how are you, what's going.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's especially brother, it's very important to HM, you know very well about hotel industry and your
Yeah,
college. You told me like
yeah.
they're never allowed to any kind of language, especially English. Over there only one English going on, am I right?
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Because my hotel industry in foreigner country, foreigner, yeah. Then
Yes.
talk between English. So
Oh,
if you don't know English, then you cannot improve yourself. Yeah,
yeah, right, brother. Like over there, for example, after college, like if you pass out your degree, HM degree, then like
yeah,
definitely your campus in your college, they try to attend any interview, campus interview, you can say. So
yeah, yeah,
over there, if you have any good command for good communication skill, good knowledge about English, and what do you mean by aviation, what do you mean by hospitality or hotel sector, then you will be, you can select.
yeah, yeah. You
Otherwise,
definitely improve.
have any communication skill, maybe it get a trouble, brother. Maybe you will reject. It's possible because
Yeah,
in this industry, brother, English is very very important.
yeah, yeah,
Why English is necessary over there, we can say hotel department, aviation department, and any IT department, because sometime we have to talk with stranger, we can say sometime a situation come to discuss with like foreigner.
yeah,
Lots
yeah,
of
yeah.
clients belong to USA and any other country.
Gulf
So over
country.
there, this is very very important, brother. That's why reason they mention like communication is very important in this field.
Yeah, yeah.
you know so brother, I'm confusing in hotel department. What would you like to do? Like we can say supervisor, attender, guest, welcome, tag boy, and we can say like luggage boy, and we can say like
Yeah, yeah.
house.
Hello.
FN, which department you want to go?
Yeah,
You
I
know,
want to go FMB.
FMB.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Food
that's
and
great.
beverage.
So did
Yeah,
you learn something about FMB, food and beverage? Did you learn something over there in
yeah,
your
yeah,
college?
yeah,
So
yeah.
what? Please share with me.
Yeah. Mm. That time I am studying which types of menu card, a la carte menu, table D head menu.
Yeah, right,
Mm,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
Table D head menu is the no, you can guest cannot choose. Yeah, it is
Like
a fixed menu. Yeah,
okay, I remember that like over there, a teacher tried to teach like how to make a napkin, how to decorate a table,
yeah, yeah,
and
napkin. Yeah,
everything. Yeah, it's a great thing.
yeah.
Okay, so keep going, keep going.
I have a napkin folder. Are you want to see? Are
Yeah,
you want to
please.
see?
Yeah, please. I
Okay.
want to, I want to look your about your
Yeah,
napkin,
yeah.
please. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, this is my napkin folder.
Yes, yes, yes. They give it as a practice.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I understand, brother. I remember that like when I was doing a study in diploma course in
Yeah,
a hotel. Yeah. Okay. This is like big napkin, brother. That's good then.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Mm,
Yeah, I understand. I remember that, brother, because even I did I made a like different type of napkin. We can say like someone bird fly, someone like literally, it's look like amazing. And I
yeah,
know
yeah, yeah,
like different types of like napkin, many
yeah, yeah.
type napkin I can make. Yeah. So that's good, brother. Seriously, that's good. So,
Yeah,
brother,
bro. I
yeah,
need a napkin.
yeah, right. This is perfect. This is perfect, brother.
One
Yeah,
hand.
yeah. This napkin, we can say like we try to just keep on a table.
Yeah, yeah, table on the table. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. That's good, man. That's good. Yeah, great. So, next, what did you learn next? Like about anything else? About a napkin, we can say like any
Yeah,
non-veg, veg, cocktail, mocktail. Did you
yeah,
learn this?
cutlery. Yeah, yeah. Cutlery's name Martin, beer glass.
Okay. Oh, I see. Mhm.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. So what about like your duration college? I mean duration period. Like how many years remaining about HM?
Yeah, 3 years.
So right now you are in a first year.
Yeah, yeah, I'm first year.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
And
Okay.
after 1 month, my training is start. My training interview is start. My
Oh,
training
I
is
see.
yeah.
After
After
1 month,
1 month,
like you will be doing a training like as a work purpose. Okay, that's good. That's good. Like how to decorate a table and catalog and how to serve like meals in front of a guest. Like that's great. Okay. Yeah, I think you are excited to do.
yeah,
You
yeah,
want to in like AV. I mean hospitality. That's great, brother. I appreciate it. That's good. Just keep going. And bro, see, like English, just a language. Okay, if you concentrate more, definitely you will learn. Okay, don't worry. But you have to talk more. You have to elaborate more and more. Like whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm looking, whenever I'm going outside, inside, just explain to yourself. If you explain, you will get the idea. Okay, so English just language, so simple. Just do hard work. Try to read a book. Try to whatever you done in your college time. In your, we can say HM. So just explain like what kind of job over there, how I study, and how the so just explain yourself
yeah, yeah,
automatically. Brother. Right now, I think you don't have a partner. Am I right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So don't worry, you can find a partner from WhatsApp English group. Just
Yeah,
use
yeah.
it and talk to in front of people, learn more and more. Okay. If you practice
Yeah.
more, brother, automatically you will clarify yourself. So practice more and more.
Practice
Okay.
man is perfect man.
Yes.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
And brother, like if possible, then create a atmosphere, create a WhatsApp group about English group. Like you're doing a college, HM college, okay? So just
yeah,
connect with a find a good partner and discuss with a regular basis. Like today, what did you learn and how to do, how to make a napkin and what kind of like glasses, wine glasses, what kind of like job in hotel industry and what about housekeeping, what about welcome guests, what about luggage, like that. Just try to explain, talk with if you have a partner, if you have a friend, then discuss with him and her more and more. Then you learn like about organization, I mean hospitality organization, and you can improve yourself also. So this is
yeah,
good way to learning English language, literally
yeah,
English.
yeah.
So by the way, like after college, brother, where will you work? In India and outside?
I think India.
India.
I
Yeah,
think
first thing is
India. Yeah,
experience is very important, brother. Okay.
yeah.
So
Experience is very important. Then I will go foreign country
yeah, that's good, brother. That's good. All the best for you. Like future.
because
So I'm
experience is very necessary.
yeah, experience
Experience. Yeah.
important, brother. I'm asking, brother, in a Bihar. So over there, any 5-star hotel, like any restaurant, any like cafe, any restaurant over there in a Bihar?
Be hard. I don't.
Okay, you
I
don't know.
think no. I think no.
Okay, so you're doing a college in a Kolkata. Am I right? In a
Yeah, yeah,
Kolkata.
yeah, yeah.
So maybe over there like 5-star hotel. After college, brother, please apply any 5-star hotel you will get. If you try to
Yeah,
apply in this department, you will get easily job, brother.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
and don't worry, this is not big deal. This is so simple job you will get easily. And if possible, brother, then try to do like part-time job also in a hotel sector. then you will learn like more experience also, more knowledge also, and beside you're doing a degree also. So this is great thing. Okay, try to do part-time job and do study, then you will become a success.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, FNB department is like fantastic, brother. Seriously, you can make a good career. This is
Yeah.
good.
This department you can meet guests. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
of course.
yeah. But when you choosing housekeeping, then I think you don't meet guests.
Yes, yes. FNB
Yeah.
department, brother, like you can meet with a new guest, like some guests belong to in like foreigner. So you can try to convince, you can try to conversation with those guests. So this is helpful for your. You can learn a new culture, new idea, new dishes also. You know,
Yeah.
you try to talk with stranger people, you will learn. Okay.
Okay.
So I think, brother, we have to stop here because our video is going to lengthy. So thank you very much for conversation.
Okay.
Thank you very much for connecting with me, and all the best to your future plan. Keep going, learn more and more. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Good day.
Yeah.